Thank you, Kim. Morning, friends. I'm here to present the gist of discussions and recommendations on behalf of the two groups who deliberated on the vision, goals, and targets, strategic objectives during the first global consultation. Let me go to the first slide, please. The first question was on the appropriateness of the newborn plan versus the maternal and newborn plan. And what about the links with the African countries' roadmap for the MNS? It was thought and it was found to be useful. It is still useful to have a plan focusing on newborn to avoid diluting focus because newborns are often not prominent enough in the MNH plans and because newborns' health is lag behind. So that's why we're thinking that we must have a plan on the newborns. The countries are not expected to design a new vertical plan, but to review and sharpen the existing plans in the line with the GNAP, presented evidence and their recommendations. On the time frame, I think my previous presentation already defined on that. 2035 is the timeline which is in line with the APR. As the GNAP aims at informing the country actions, we need to have some intermediate global targets which are really needed. Then countries are asked to set their own targets, their short-term, medium-term, national targets, including the interventions of the coverage to allow the monitoring. Regarding the action plan, what should be the name of the action plan, whether it should be Global Newborn Plan for Action or Global Action for Ending Preventable Newborn Deaths, or NAPI was also one of the recommendations like Newborn Action Plan for Impact. I think GNAP is primarily designed to respond to the country needs, but need to add a few global actions and responsibilities for all the constituencies. Regarding the vision, it was discussed and decided that the vision has to be very high-level vision. It needs to be visionary and ideal situation. We need to have keywords like preventable, stillbirths, thrive beyond survival, mother, and dignity. For majority of the participants, the target goals, they are interchangeable. So we need to, the change to achieve, I think the targets have already been discussed by the previous presenter. A minority preferred was also that we can have a target or a goal to achieve universal coverage of quality MNH interventions and address the broader socio-economic determinants of health. On strategic objectives and key actions, again, I think there's a long discussion on this. It was thought that we should not have objectives, not strategic objectives, because ultimately we need to have those kind of number behind the objectives. So it was thought that strategic approaches or directions could be, an appropriate word. We need to merge the emerging themes and the strategic approaches, ensure key actions which match with the strategic actions, and you make the language more punchier and more inspirational. These are the contents of the strategic, not objective, but strategic, actions. And the key actions which need to be merged. The first is the need for national coordination as well as prioritization and efficient use of resources should be mentioned. Second was to highlight the continuum of care. That was strategic objective number 2, that we need to focus on high impact interventions along with the continuum of care. We need to highlight the equity issues. I think this is very important and prominently it was discussed in the group, that equity issues need to be highlighted very prominently, and we need to focus on hard to reach areas and marginalized populations. We also need to highlight social determinants of health, particularly the education. Then quality is the key, and it also includes the responsiveness, the quality of care from the mother's perspective. We need to use both public and private sector delivery systems to achieve universal coverage. I think we can't really leave behind the private sector. We need to work together. And we need to mention that the data should be used not only to monitor the progress, but also to improve the plans. Thank you so much.